A retentive anchor is a specific connection element used in dental prosthetics. There are a myriad of brands and types of prosthetic connection elements. The picture on the right shows a retentive anchor for an implant. The one on the left is a retentive anchor for a tooth root, and above is the prosthesis. The elements always consist of two pieces. One piece is anchored on the tooth or implant, while the second piece is incorporated into the prosthesis. Here you see another detailed image of the retentive anchor elements, which in this case will be used for an implant. Such anchor elements improve the prosthesis fit significantly. Prosthesis in the upper jaw can prevent the patient from needing plastic gums, as seen in the film. The omission of plastic gums greatly improves the patient's comfort, because the gums contain countless taste buds. What makes this connection special is the fact that retentive anchors do not transfer chewing energy onto the anchor elements, root or implant, evenly. The retentive anchor connection does have a little bit of flexibility, which enables the majority of chewing energy to be transferred to the mucosa. In order to retain that flexibility when jawbone reduction is detected, the prosthesis has to be consistently supported. More about this can be found in the video on prosthesis support.